Hello everyone, you're welcome again to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to share how you can give a better presentation. Okay, so watch this video till the end and you will definitely get the benefit out of this video. So let's begin. First, I would like to tell you that as the maths is important for a human being, and how do you practice the math? Just by doing the practice. If you wanna do maths, if you wanna learn maths, then you have to solve the sums. Okay, so there is a proper mechanism for it that you have to follow. Okay, you are instructed to read about the formulas, theorem, and after that you apply in the practical life also, and also by solving the sums you get all the things, mean how this formula can be applied in your different sums. So the same way, okay, the presentation skills is also a mathematical skill. You have to apply the formula. Okay, there are some static formulas that you can apply and you can see the drastic change in your presentation giving skills. Okay, so what is that? So first I want to tell you that there are the categories of the students, okay, who are just expecting that they will go on the stage and directly speak and perform very well. And the second type of students are like they practice a bit and then they speak on the stage. And the third kind of person is like who practice a lot, okay, in front of the mirror by recording his audio in the recording, okay, and by reciting anything in front of anybody. So they practice a lot and after that they go and make some notes out of the presentation and then they give their presentation. So can you imagine who will give the better presentation? Of course, the third one, the third category people give their presentation in the best manner because they already have decided that what they have to do in front of their audiences. And there are also some steps by which you attract your audiences. You must have observed some of the motivational speaker, they go on the stage and say hi, good morning. And why they do this? Because they want to make their audiences enthusiastic and they want to involve the audiences into their what they are saying. Okay, so that becomes a very important part. But if you have the weightage in your content, then you don't need to do this at all. The way of your speaking, the voice modulation, that matters a lot. Your toning, it also matters a lot. So you have to practice it a lot at your home. You have to make where you have to give the pose. Okay, it matters a lot in any of the language. Okay, and the second thing is your content on the topic you are going to speak. You must be directed toward it. You don't have to distract from the topic. When you are going distract of the topic, then the attention of the some audiences can also go away. So you have to keep in your mind where you have to reach and where you have to take your audiences. So that matters a lot while delivering your presentation in front of them. And whatever you speak, never think about the language. Okay, language is not your barrier. The work of the language is just to communicate with your audiences. And if you have read about the topic, then you are knowing such words and definitely you have the sufficient words to deliver your things to your audiences. So you don't need to worry about at all about your language. Okay, just be confident, stand properly, move the hands. Body language matters a lot. Even the 70% contribution in your communication is of the body language. So make focus over your body language, your eye contact, and then be confident, and whatever you will say, definitely your audiences will like. So these are the short and simple formulas that you can apply in your daily presentation skill and you can make it quite better. Okay, so these are the formulas I shared with you, and I have also given a lot of presentation in front of the people, even in front of the diplomats. So that was my personal experience. When you go there, just be confident, okay, then all will person listen you. So that is the today's video and I hope you liked it. So if you like, don't forget to share and subscribe the channel and also share with your friends. So thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.